Marshall, can you wake up Daddy? Where's Daddy? That's Callie. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Yeah, that's Callie. No, we want Callie to stay sleeping. Go wake up Daddy. Where's Daddy? Not over there. Where's Daddy, though? Where's Daddy? Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Okay. Careful, bud. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Ooh. Buddy, you gotta stop chugging so hard. It's not a bottle. Alright. That time you seem to have a little more control. Where?
No.
Alright, put the milk down and wake up Dada.
No.
That is actually not Dada snoring. That's Pearl. It's for video record. But wake up Dada! Not by spilling milk on... Oh.